Guess what, everybody? It is my favorite time of year. It is time to decorate the front porch, and I've got a very bright and beautiful way to do it. I'm Jamie, the Crafty DIY guy. Today's video is sponsored by Eufy, making your home or front porch perfect for any holiday season. Those of you that have been with me for a while, you know that my front porch is my absolute favorite. This is kind of my summer setup, and it has seen some better days. The hurricanes, all of the dust, all of the wind, all of the muck. It is time to decorate for fall. So the very first thing that I did was go to the porch and start to remove some of these cushions and pillows and blankets. Actually, I removed all of them. I don't know why I said some of them. And I just kind of threw them in the front door for right now. And then I did end up taking these up to the attic. And also those cushions came off and I was able to give them a nice scrub and cleaning in the washing machine, which I definitely will appreciate next year. And then for the furniture, I'm going to go ahead and just pull this off of the front porch as well. These chairs did come from Walmart, and I've had these for several years. Everybody always asks me about them. Everything on this porch is covered in absolute filth between the pollen and just dirt and grime and all the hurricanes and leaves that are starting to fall. I really needed to clean this. So I am going to go ahead and just sweep as much of this dirt off of here. And then I'm going to give everything a really good rinse. I'm also going to be rinsing the siding of my house as well, because yes, folks, I am going to get in there with some old-fashioned elbow grease and I am going to be wiping down the vinyl siding that is on my front porch here. Now, I use Dawn Power Wash when I do this. This actually works so good for cleaning vinyl siding. And if you haven't tried that, I definitely recommend doing it. Just spray a little bit, wipe, and just kind of keep going. I was able to do the window trim and everything with this. So this was super effective and it works so good. Now, I did go ahead and just kind of give everything a really good rinse once again, and you can already see the difference in the siding. The chairs were absolutely filthy, so I also just kind of wiped off all of those as well. It's kind of funny that I'm decorating the fall front porch, right, while I'm wearing shorts, but this was a day that it was pretty warm out. Now, this rug I did grab from Amazon. This was, I think it was around $40, honestly. And it's such a great color. What's kind of cool about this rug, too, is that it's plastic. And so it actually works really good for just kind of rinsing these off and hosing these off. I have one on my deck, actually, in the back in a different color combo. So I'm going to go ahead and place the furniture back on the front porch because it is starting to get dark. And we're going to be installing some lights from today's sponsor, Eufy. Now, if you're looking for an amazing outdoor lighting system, let me introduce you to Eufy. Known for their security cameras, Eufy also offers incredible permanent outdoor lights perfect for celebrating festivals or everyday life year-round. Now, I'm going to show you how easy this installation is for both of these, and you will not believe the amazing quality. The installation for these lights was super easy and very simple. Easy to follow instructions are printed on the inside of the box, and as you can see, everything is packaged perfectly. Now, with these Eufy lights, you could choose from over 80 preset lighting themes or customize your own effects through their DIY feature. Whether it's the twinkling lights of Christmas or the spooky glow of Halloween, these lights help you celebrate in style. And you can even use the AI lighting generation in the Eufy Life app. Simply input keywords and preferences, and the AI will create lighting themes for any occasion. Plus, all Eufy lights feature RGB, warm white, and cool white LEDs with a triple LED design offering 16 million color combinations with adjustable saturation. Now, what is really cool is how these lights can integrate with the Eufy security cameras set up for the lights to react to motion detection. So when your camera spots someone, the lights can emit a warm or even a warning glow, adding to the personal touch for your own home security. Installation is easy with adhesive tapes and screw holes for reinforcement. These lights are built for durability as well with UV resistant and IP65 water and dust protection. They'll perform in all weather conditions from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, lasting over 55,000 hours. And let's talk about the eufy Security Solar Wall Light Camera. It combines a powerful 300 lumen light with a security camera activated by motion for bright, reliable security. It's solar powered and it just takes 2 hours of sunlight to keep it charged for over a day, and it stores up to 60 days of footage locally with no monthly fee. You guys, now you can see that the eufy camera is actually stellar quality. This, of course, is during the day. Now, anytime anybody walks onto my driveway, not only are they going to get a bright light from this, they're also going to get this. All right, you guys, so the big reveal is going to be coming soon, but we've got to finish decorating this porch. I went up in the attic and kind of grabbed my fall and my kind of Christmas colors. I used that neutral color for these pots. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of get rid of the stuff that's dead in here. This succulent, by the way, that's in these pots, this is growing like crazy. This was literally the size of my hand, and I don't know what exactly that is. I'm going to zoom in here in just a second so you can see these, but I did want to just kind of embrace that orange and that green and the blue and wanted to go ahead and just plant these mums in here. I love mums. I love how colorful they are. I went with an all orange theme this year so we could just kind of get some consistent color and we could have some really, really nice pops here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of backfill these pots and get these all straightened up. These are very, very heavy. These came from a local kind of pottery place that you can get a lot of outdoor plants and stuff at. And I've had them for years, which I truly love and appreciate. Now, look how beautiful this succulent is. What is this succulent? Please let me know in the comments below. If you know what this one is, it's something I picked up at Home Depot and just thought it was cute. When I say I am dusting off everything, I'm telling you guys, everything was dusty and dirty. Now, for my pillows, the inserts here, these are indoor-outdoor inserts. So we're going to go ahead and add some fall pillow colors or covers here. I grabbed these on Amazon as well. By the way, everything's going to be linked in the description box below, including the lights that I was showing you guys earlier. Now, this one I thought was so cute, but the size I ordered was just way too big, so I'm going to have to get a different insert for that. So we're going to go ahead and set up our pumpkin. That's a wooden pumpkin that I got at, I believe I got that at Home Goods. So I decided to swap out the kind of the pumpkins and the hay bale and everything and kind of put it on this side of the porch. So cute, right? That pumpkin right there, that tall skinny one, that actually came from the local Goodwill. Now, see how cute this is. Love the colors, of course. That's the pillow that's bothering me because I need to get that larger insert there. And as you can see, of course, I've got to finish it off with a wreath. I made this wreath on my YouTube channel here a couple of years ago. It's from Dollar Tree. I used a Dollar Tree garland and a Dollar Tree wreath and literally just wrapped it. Now, as you can see, the porch is all done and I really love the way that this turned out. I've got my pumpkins, I've got my hay bale, I've got the fun mums, all of the great, beautiful colors. And speaking of beautiful colors, I've also got my eufy Permanent Outdoor Lights. These are absolutely incredible. I love all of the color combinations. There are so many different varieties. And what's super cool about these lights is that right now, eufy is running a limited time sale on all of these products. So grab them before they're gone. Check the link in my description box for more details. These lights and security cameras are reliable all year long, and I know you're excited to see them in action. How beautiful is this? Oh, and by the way, check out what it looks like from the security camera as well. Again, I am so happy with all of these. Check out that link in my description box for more.